Welcome back to Canadian Competitive Math. In today's problem, we are going to look at one geometry concept, and that concept is specifically related to circles. So using that concept, we are going to solve this problem that is shown on the screen right now. What we have here. In this question, we have a rectangle ADHE. It is being intersected by circle shown in green. We don't have any information on the length of the rectangle or the height of the rectangle, or we also don't have any information on the circle. We don't have any information on the radius of the circle. All the information we have is related to AB. AB is 5 units. EF is 8 units. CD is 10 units. So based on all the information we have to find out the length of GH. So why don't you take 5 minutes to solve this problem, and once you try to solve this on your own, please come back and check with the solution I am giving. Thank you. Hope you have solved this problem on yourselves and you have an answer. So let us look at the process I'm trying to solve this and check whether you have got your answer correct or not. If there is another way in which you solve this problem, please comment in the comment section. So let us assume that O is the center of the circle. What we'll do is, from O, we will draw a line to B dash, which is midpoint of the chord BC. And from same O, draw a line to F dash. F dash is midpoint of FG. The principle we have here to solve this problem is this. A straight line from center of the circle. A straight line. Now we are drawing a straight line from center of the circle, which is O, to the midpoint of the chord, which is B dash. So OB dash is perpendicular to BC. Similarly, OF dash is perpendicular to FG. Okay. So we know the principle that we are trying to solve right now, and let us look at what follows. We deduce that OB dash is perpendicular to BC and OF dash is perpendicular to FG. So we started with that. So OB dash is perpendicular to BC means OB dash is perpendicular to AB dash. So AB dash, BC, they are the same line. They are the different segments of the same line. So we can say that OB dash is perpendicular to AB dash. Similarly, OF dash is perpendicular to EF dash. So what follows after that? Since AB dash is parallel to EF dash, so AB dash and EF dash are opposite sides in the rectangle, right? So AB dash is parallel to EF dash and OB dash is perpendicular to AB dash and OF dash is perpendicular to EF dash. We can conclude that AB dash, F dash and E, it forms a rectangle. What follows from that? Since AB dash, F dash and E, they form a rectangle, we can say that AB dash equal to EF dash. That's what it is. And AB dash we can write as AB plus BB dash. EF dash we can write as EF plus FF dash. So what follows is this. 5 plus BB dash equal to 8 plus FF dash. What else do we know? We know that since B dash is midpoint of BC, BB dash equal to B dash C. Since F dash is midpoint of FG, FF dash equals to F dash G. So 5 plus bb dash equals to 8 plus ff dash. We can write it as 5 plus b dash c equals to 8 plus f dash g. So b dash c minus f dash g equals to 8 minus 5, which is 3. So we deduce that b dash c minus f dash g is 3. Okay, we'll take other part of this. Till now we looked at the left side of this problem. Now we are going to look at the right side. OB dash is perpendicular to BC. OF dash is perpendicular to FG. We already know that. We started with the same principle. What we do is OB dash is perpendicular to B dash D. OF dash is perpendicular to F dash H. What follows from that? Since B dash D and F dash H are parallel and OB dash is perpendicular to B dash D and OF dash is perpendicular to FH, we can write that DH is parallel to B dash F dash and DB dash F dash H is a rectangle. Okay, which means B dash D equals to F dash H. That means CD plus BC dash equal to HG plus F dash G. That equals to CD is 10. 10 plus BC dash equals to HG plus F dash G. Now HG equals to 10 plus BC dash minus F dash G. So from the above observation, we know that B dash C minus F dash G is 3. So if you substitute 3 here, we can say that HG equals to 13. Hope you have enjoyed this problem. If you like my content related to math, please like my content and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.